Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. So this is a caselet. It says that there are some pens in a box and each pen is either transparent or opaque. It has transparent or opaque body. Okay, it is gel pen or ball pen or it is red or blue in color. Right, so we have like based on body we have categorized into two parts. Based on gel or ball, two parts, or red or blue, two parts. So we have total 8 types of pens. Okay, 8 types because for body the type and the color. Okay, now some information is given and all is given in fractions and none of the numbers is mentioned, right? Only fractions are mentioned here. Now the question, if you can see the first question, it says minimum number of pens in the box. So that means it will be like we cannot determine the exact number of pens, but we will get a minimum number and the number of pens will be in the multiple of that number. Okay, now let us make like we have to make 8 types, so we will let us bifurcate on the basis of let's say transparent and opaque, right? So it says 3/5 of the pens are have transparent body, so 2/5 will have opaque. Okay, now let us make two tables because we cannot show three dimensions together. So once let us make transparent and one let us make opaque. Okay, so in transparent we shall have four categories further: gel pen, ball pen, red or blue. Gel, ball, and within that it will be also red and blue. Similarly, we'll make four categories of this thing as well. This is opaque and this will be gel, ball, red and right. Now we are given 3/5 of the pens have transparent body and 2/5 have opaque. So that means it should be a multiple of 5 because number of pens has to be integer, right? So it should be a multiple of 5. Now 2/7 of opaque pens. Now opaque pens are there, right? Some opaque pens and 2/7. So 2 by 7 is an integer. So it should be a multiple of 7 also. Okay. And if we see the next statement, it says 3/8 of opaque pens. So 3/8 of opaque pens means that it should be a multiple of 8 also, right? Because if I say, let us say if I take a number which is not a multiple of 8, let us say if I take 20, okay, and if I take 3/8, 3/8 will come as 7.5, right? Number of pens has to be an integer. We cannot have 1.5 pen, 2.5 pen, right? So it is always an integer number. So for that reason, the number of pens should be a multiple of 5, 7 and 8. Okay, so that means LCM of these three numbers, which we get as 280. Okay, now this is not a conclusive number, maybe we can get more than that also. So let us try with 280. If we do not get all the values as integers, we will multiply accordingly. Okay, so let us assume that there are 280 pens. Okay, if we take 280, then we will get transparent as 3/5. Okay, so 3/5 means 1/5 is 56, 168. So transparent we will get 168 and opaque we will get 2 times of 56 is 112. So let us assume that this number is 112 and this is 168. Okay, 2/7 of the opaque pens are red. So 2/7 of opaque pens. So 1/7 is 16, 2/7 is uh, 32, right? So opaque pens 32, red pens, so this will be 80. Okay, and 3/7 of the red pens have transparent body. Now 3/7 of red pens have transparent body, that means 4 by 7 red are opaque, isn't it? 3 by 7 of the red pens have transparent body, so there are two types of bodies, right? Transparent and opaque. So 4 by 7 will have opaque body. Okay, so 4 by 7 is 32. So total number of red pens will be 32 into 7 by 4, right? That gives us 56. So red are 56. Now red is 56, this is 32, so this number will come as 24. Now subtracting from this we will get this number as 144, right? So this statement has been executed, this also. Now 3/8 of opaque pens are gel. This is 112, 1 by 8 is 14, 14 into 3, 42. So 42 opaque pens are gel pens. So this will come as 42, and subtracting this we get this as 70. Okay. 2/5 of the gel pens are opaque. Now 2/5 of gel pens are opaque. 2/5 of 2/5 of gel pen is equal to 42. Okay. So that means we have 105 gel pens. So this is how we are figuring out the numbers. So 105. Okay. So if this is 42, this will be 63. Okay, 63, and this is 168. So subtracting we get 105. So these totals we have got thus far. Okay, now we need to find these individual values. Now 1/8 of the number of blue pens is equal to red gel pens, right? Blue ball pens, and it is both, right? It is this also plus this also, not only transparent or opaque, right? It is saying blue ball pens is equal to red gel pens. So red gel pens means these two things. So these two total, okay, is 8 times of this, right? So we will come to this later. Let us see if we can get more information in the last statement. 1/8 of the red pens are gel and have opaque body. So 1/8 of red pens are gel and opaque. So 1/8 of red pens were 56. So 7 red pens are gel and opaque. So gel and opaque. So this is 7, right? Now we have just one information left, which we have to find this number. Okay. So first of all, if this is 7, this will be 56, isn't it? Sorry, 7 will come here, not here. Red pens, gel and opaque body. So this is opaque and gel. This will be 7. Okay. So 7, this will be 35. Right. If this is 35, this was 80. So this will come as 45. Okay. 45, this will come as 25. So this we have filled. Okay. Now we will go to this information. So it says 1/8 of the number of blue ball pens is equal to red gel pens. So red gel pens are 7, and let us say this number is X. Okay. So red gel pens are X plus 7. Okay. 1/8 of blue ball pens. So blue ball pens will be 8 times of this, 8 times of X plus 7. Okay. Now what we can say that this number is 8x plus 56. 8x plus 56 is this total, right? This plus this. So this means this is 8x plus 56, this is 45. So this will come as 8x plus 11, because this total comes as 8x plus 56. Now this is x plus 7 and 8 times 8x plus 56. So this is 8x plus 11. Okay. Now what we have to find for x. So this will be this is x, this will be 24 minus x, because total is 24. And if we add this way, what do we get? We get 35, right? 24 plus 11, 35, and x 8x minus x, that is 7x. That turns out to be 105. So 7x is 70, so x is equal to 10. So put x is equal to 10, we will get these values. So this will be 10 and 14, and this will be 91. And this number will come as 53. Now we see that all these numbers are integers, right? All of them are integers, hence our assumption of 280 is true. So minimum number of pens in the box will be 280. Now the number of pens in the box will be in multiples of 280, right? 280, 560, 840, and so on. So minimum is 280. The next question, what is the ratio of red transparent gel pens to red opaque blue pens? Now this ratio can be, there is an option cannot be determined. You should not mark that, because even if we scale these numbers, it will become 2 times. That is a ratio of red transparent gel pens. Red transparent gel pens, that is 10, to red opaque blue pens. red, opaque, and so that should be something else. I think it should be ball pens, right? Maybe mistakenly written as blue. Be ball pens. Okay, red opaque ball pens, that is 25. Okay, so typo error. So 1025, that is 2:5, and it's an option also. So that fits here, right? Uh, or if it is red transparent blue pens, no, red and blue cannot come together. So it will be red opaque ball pens. So that is 2:5. Which of the following is the largest in number? So largest number is, we have to find among this, transparent blue ball pens, transparent blue ball pens. Now, if you see these numbers, this looks the highest, right? Straight away, 91. There is no other number more than 91. I mean, and they are not asking any totals. Transparent red gel pens, transparent red gel 10, opaque red ball pens, uh, opaque red ball, and opaque blue ball pen. So obviously this is the highest. Which of the following is definitely a multiple of 5, right? So we will look at the minimum value and see which is a multiple of 5. Opaque red ball pens, uh, opaque red ball pens, so this is a multiple of 5. Then opaque blue ball pens, opaque blue ball pens, that is also a multiple of 5. Opaque blue gel pens, opaque blue gel pens, that is also a multiple of 5. So all of them are necessarily multiples of 5. So even if you multiply by 2, 3, they will always remain multiples of 5. So that is the solution to this set and the answers to the questions.